Okay, how we read this is G, and then you see that parenthesis of n. Okay, so this says G of n equals. Okay, this one would say F of n. Okay, that's how we read that. And all they're saying is really G of n stands for this equation and F of n stands for that equation. And so they want to know, and if we broke this down in a layman's terms, if I went to McDonald's and got some McChickens, and then I went to Arby's and got some, what's something cheap at Arby's? I don't really know.
The sliders.
Oh yeah, them sliders are good. I like the buffalo ones. Okay, so if we went to Arby's and you could figure out between the two how much money you would owe. That's what they're saying, okay? You got McDonald's and Arby's up there. So when we say G of n plus F of n, what is my G of n? Okay, so my G of n right here is 3n plus 2. So we're going to say 3n plus 2 for that G of n. Okay, and then it says, so that's G of n plus, so we got this plus right here. So plus F of n. What is F of n?
F of n.
What is it?
Oh,
Okay, my F is this one. N squared plus n. Okay, so we got G of n and F of n. All you're doing is taking this one and writing it down, plus this one and writing it down. Okay, now look at our equation. Is there anything we can combine? What n's? 3n and n. And what number is in front of this n? A 1. So what is 3 plus 1?
4n.
4n. Okay. What else? So I use these. Can I put the 2 with anything?
No.
No, because it's just a number, so we can't put that with anything. So we're going to say plus 2. What about n squareds? Are there any n squareds?
No.
No. So we're going to say plus n squared.
That's it?
Now, typically, especially when you go into the other algebra classes, they're going to say put it in the right order, which the right order goes if you have n to the 5, and then n to the 4, n to the 3, n to the 2, and then just the number. Today, I don't care about doing that, okay? This is how far you should be able to get. Okay, so if we look at 3, we need to f of x plus g of x. Okay, so what is my f?
2x plus 4.
2x plus 4, perfect. Plus, what is my g of x?
3x minus 4.
3x minus 5. Okay, for those of you guys that are new in here, it goes a heck of a lot faster. The faster you answer me, the faster we'll be done. Okay? So what can we put together?
4 and 5.
The 4 and the minus 5. So what is 4 minus 5?
-1.
Negative 1. Okay? What else?
2x and 3x.
2x and 3x is going to give me
5x.
5x. So we're going to say plus 5x. And this one is done. Okay, 5. It says g of x. What's g of x? Negative 4x minus, what is h of x?
2x plus
2x squared plus 5x. Okay, here's where the minus is different from the plus. Okay, so when you write the second piece right here, this h of x, you need to put parentheses around this. Okay, and the reason is because that minus is really going to get distributed to each piece. Okay, and so it's really a minus 1 there. So what happens when I take negative 1 times 2? Negative 2. So I'm going to have negative 4x minus 2x squared. Okay, and then I say negative 1 minus 5. Negative 5x. Oh, I said minus 5, my bad. Okay, so look at what happened here. What happened to this 2? It went negative. What happened to this 5? It went negative. What that the minus does is turns every piece. So if it was a minus, it would become a plus. If it was a plus, it would become a minus. Okay? Now, is there anything for us to combine?
Yeah.
What?
Negative 4x.
Negative 4x. and then minus 5x. So if you're not good at negatives, that's fine. Use your dang calculator. Use it every day, all the dang time. It's better to double check and use your calculator than to get it wrong and you like got all the numbers right, but one little minus or plus, okay? So, what is a minus 4 minus 5? Negative 9x. And then we got minus 2x squared. Okay, 7, it says find g of a minus h of a. What is my g of a? 2x, or 2a, minus 5, minus, what is h of a? 4a plus 1. Okay, remember the what you call it, the minuses, you need to put that parenthesis around the second piece. Okay, so it's really going to become 2a minus 5. Okay, so see how there's no sign in front of the 4? So it's going to be a minus 4a. And then this is a plus, so it's going to become a minus, so minus 1. Okay, if we look at those, what can we combine? What can get put together?
5 and 1.
The 5 and the 1. So what is minus 5 minus 1?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. What else can we put together? The a, so I got a 2a minus 4. What is 2 minus 4? Negative 2a. Okay, 9. It says h of n. What is h of n? Good. Minus g of n. What's my g of n? 4n plus 3. Okay, so we got 2n squared minus 2n. Okay, and then here I'm going to get a minus 4n and then a minus 3. What can we put together? Negative 4 and a negative 2. What's that going to give me? Negative 2 minus 4. Negative 6n. Okay, can I put anything else together? So these ones are done. So we're going to, a 2n squared, that's going to be a plus, and a minus 3. Okay, the whole front page, if you have not figured it out already, is all the addition and subtraction ones. Okay, the back page is going to be multiplication and division. Okay? Can I scroll? You guys good? Okay, it says, so you see the dot in between? That means multiplication. Okay, so we got h of a, that's going to be 2a squared minus a times 2a plus 4. Okay, for today, this is as far as we're going to go for the multiplication. Okay, what you need to do, so you guys can circle this for your answer. What I would like you to do is this though. Put parentheses around. Parentheses mean times, and that'll get you ready for tomorrow. Okay, really you need to go like boom, 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 boom. Okay, and multiply all 4 pieces. We're not going to do that today. Okay, so it should look like that. That means that one times that one. Okay, and so this is done. Okay, so shoot. If we look at 13, we got h of x. It's going gonna be x squared minus 3x, put parentheses around it, times, what is my g of x?
X plus 5.
X plus 5. Okay, and so it's done. Okay, 15. What's the first one?
3n squared plus 1.
Perfect. And what's my f?
3n minus 1.
3n minus 1. Good. Yeah, understand with this? Okay, what kind of operation is 17? Division. You see the division sign up there? Okay, the division are also very easy. So sometimes you see division and it does like that, right? Or way back in the day when I taught you long division, you put like a number in here and a number in here. Some people also use just a fraction bar, and that's the easiest way, is just a fraction bar with these. So you're gonna draw a line, okay? Whatever comes first goes on top. So what comes first?
4n plus 1.
4n plus 1. So the g of n comes first. So you're going to say 4n plus 1 divided by, that means that fraction bar, h of n. What is my h of n? Cubed, okay, or to the third power, over 3. And this one is done, okay? That means divide. Okay, and then last one, we got f, which is 2a, goes on the top, and g goes on the bottom, which is negative 3a cubed minus 2a squared. Okay, and so this one is done.